Hey everybody, hey Bagsy. You
Hey,
guys are here to support you guys emotionally today. I know you guys are having a tough time getting liquidated and Arthur taking your money.
aka me.
So I completely took away your intro.
Oh, dude, that's fine, man. This is as much yours as it is mine. So, yeah, let's get Bitcoin up on here. Let me turn on the other PC. Let me spark up a little something, something.
Yeah, guys, this is pretty aggressive dropping, man. Like I'm in a long. I got in at 83.50, and then I got back in just a little bit ago at 80.75. So my lick's not until 71.75. So I'm okay. I'm chilling right now.
You're in
I'm
profit, right?
happy. Yeah, I'm in. Well, yeah, because I added more at the lower,
Yeah.
so it's technically in profit right now. Not that much, only like 10%. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and I'm leveraged, so
Yeah, let me tweet this shit out.
yeah, exciting stream, boys. I love streaming when there's live action going on, because then you can break it down
Dude,
and talk about it and actually discuss things with friends.
100%. We've been talking the entire time.
Yeah, since the stream this morning, I've been talking about bags.
Are you guys in chat? You guys surviving? Christ Almighty, ETHUSD dead.
Actually, I was just looking at ETHUSD. I mean, if I look at the daily chart for ETHUSD, it's really not that bad, guys. I mean, yeah, it looks like it has a little bit more max pain to go, but if before the daily close we close over 168, which it looks like it's gonna do, dude, ETH is gonna be like the easiest buy. I mean, I don't know if you can see my chart. I
Yeah,
don't think
yeah,
I'm.
yeah. I got you zoomed up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if I was just gonna go strictly off of blocks, here's one thing right off the bat. There's the wick block right there, which we're already over it already. So this should start coming back up. Not only that, then you have this little candles blocks of candles in there, and we fell right out of it, but we're coming right back over it. So only way to make this worse would be if the daily close opens up over here. But with 4 hours being left on the daily close, I mean, yeah, I'm bearish, but I'm not stupid. I mean, how much more could they sell off? I mean, sure, they can sell it off to zero, and you could see something like this over here, but it's just not something that I'm looking at right now. I'm long, so maybe I'm biased, but
Yeah,
what do you
so
think, Bagsy?
I'm on the same page. I mean, this seems to be. You could wait for the candle to close on the daily to long it. Look for some type of confirmation above this gray box you have in the low 160s. But
Yeah, that would
Salsa,
be the safer bet.
yeah, Salsa actually has a really interesting post that he just put up about yearly pivots.
Is it a bullish post?
We just technically tested the yearly pivot as support, and the last yearly pivot was near the 3.2k low, and it acted as resistance. So, like, technically, it's bullish.
Let me pull up his little Twitter.
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Why? Look, I type in salsa and it comes up Satoshi
Oh
flipping.
no, Swanson! Imagine my pain. I short Ethereum at 218 and closed for $3 scalp.
Is that goo? Is that trader goo in there?
No, that's Swanson.
Another perspective. Yearly pivots. Um, I mean, there's more I mean, that's the thing. I don't know if you have my thing open. When we were over here doing this same shit, the fundamentals in the market were completely different. Now we're over here, and the fundamentals are even more completely different. When they were over here, the fundamentals were more leaning bearish. Right now, everybody and their mother is trying to pull out some sort of fundamentally good news, which A would expect me to have it drop, but
Yeah.
B at the same time not expect this to happen, where it'll end up coming all the way back down to 5K.
Re. Excuse me, sorry, I'm tired, man. Fuck. Gotta wake up.
If anybody's to blame, it's CZ.
Funds are safu. Do you think
Finance America. We need a discount.
do you think the funds are safu?
Yeah, funds are always safe, especially more so now that they're in America. But
Seifu.
are your markets safe? No way.
Yeah, man.
Like the
Fucking
fact that
smart,
Binance
man.
America is on there, like, why do I even need a cold card or like any kind of hardware wallet?
Mhm.
Binance America is backed by the American financial system.
Huge.
Huge.
Yeah, Muro's buying up to 7.6.
Nice. He'll buy well, my liquidation's like right above that.
Nice. FTX pumped on Bitmax. FTX pumped on the Bitcoin pairing. Very sick.
So here's another theory. Um let's just say whatever happens, price action does its thing on until about 8 o'clock today. So what that means in my eyes is that let's say we hold on, let me just pull up my chart before I talk shit. Which by the way we're recovering right now. So let's just say we
Oh yeah.
recover by 8 o'clock,
Oh
but
shit.
we don't really break over. What that means in my eyes is basically you're gonna see other things in the market that are gonna start to pop off like right about now. Like right now is the time you want to scalp, you want to manipulate the market, whatever you got to
Yeah.
do.
Matic pumping.
Like this 12-hour. What do you think about the 12-hour total market cap as far as like RSI or divergences go? Because like on my stock, it's ready to flip. We've completely reset it. We've gotten back to the ranges we always bounce at. So I think this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful market cap wick on our end. And I don't think we've ever had such a beautiful wick. Yeah, we have. We did. We did have a beautiful wick like this before, where the market cap went from 275 all the way back up to 292. Where are we at right now? We are at 222, 227. I think we're gonna bounce back up, probably back to 250. Honestly,
Okay, hold up.
25 billion exits the market, and 25 billion will come. I've always traded the market cap in 20 billion increments, so that's why when I was tweeting the other day, I was like, "Yeah, it's probably gonna move another 5, 10 billion." It moved, and then it broke even further and dropped another 20.
Mm-hmm. I mean, we'll see. Confirmation, like above 232 close on the weekly basis. That would, for me, would be like, yeah, long your longs. Um, I think it's still too early to tell. I don't know. Got no idea, bro. You think it's gonna be a long ass wick, closing into a green one by the end of the week?
Your voice was kind of low in the last part when you asked me the question.
Oh, okay. Do you think it's gonna like wick up by the end of the week into a long ass?
Oh yeah, man. We're this is happening on a Tuesday. It'd be one thing if this was happening close to a weekend, but this is happening on a Tuesday before a Wednesday, in the middle of a weekly open. Like, oh man, dude, this is like I'm like so excited right now.
Well, technically, if we take the candle closes of the market cap, we just wicked into the 0.5 into the mid range.
I can't type stuff. Just have to go on Twitch directly. Oh man, I gotta put on my headphones. I think people can probably hear an echo from me.
Slightly.
Yeah, I'm gonna go put my headphones on. I purposely bought these for this reason. Yeah, I'm feeling like a pro right now. Hold on. Huh. Hello. Okay, hold on. Now I can hear myself talk.
Where's the bottom? Yo, what's up, Big Daddy Perps?
Hello?
You're still on, by the way. What's up, Black Stallion? Hackerman A sounds like that dump gave him 200% energy. What'd it do? Yeah, what's up, yo?
Why can I hear myself?
It's the voices in my head.
There should be. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow, that's sad.
Hello?
Yo, what's up, homie?
How do I?
All new lows for Zeke.
That thing's never going up.
Why is everyone looking at 7,500? I don't know if everyone's looking at 7,500. What's up, Jahan Khan? Yo, we got 45 in here. Yo, you guys can state your concerns, remarks, observations.
I'm a therapist, so you guys are upset.
If you have any emotional disparities between what you usually feel, talk to us. We only charge 100 an hour. Just kidding.
Okay.
Actually, Burb's group has a therapist, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Probably.
There's like a therapy corner. So I wonder if they're actually licensed. Yeah.
That is like SEC.
SEC. What do we think about the impacts on alts by this dump? Well, so far, I mean, they're not dumping horrendously. The majors are, but the low.
Can you call me off Google Hangouts?
Oh, Google Hangout. Yeah, sure, no problem.
I'm doing heroin.
No. It like slowed your voice down. All right, cool.
That was me talking like a.
Oh, you're such a fucking. All right, I'll call you right back. Okay, hold up. Hold up, ladies and gentlemen. Got it. Call ace. Okay. Make sure my camera's not showing. Great. Alright, 1 second. Hold up. I think he's calling me, but I don't know from where. Ah, shit. Yo, dude, sorry about that.
It's okay.
I almost answered from my phone by accident. I wonder if we would have had a repeat of.
Yeah. How do I fix this?
What's wrong?
I didn't have an echo.
Is your Twitch volume on?
Hello?
Is your Twitch volume on?
No, my Twitch is off.
Weird. Call me instead. Forget Ace. That's funny.
Alright, fuck it.
Yo, what's up, Rasta? RSR went in the shitter, really? No, not really. It's at 25 cents.
It's the shitter, Bagsy. It's the shitter.
What are you talking about? Like, it's just... Yo, just retested the... Anyways, whatever. Probably the USDT pairing looks like a hot... Yeah.
Take a breather, Bagsy. Don't get so angry.
Yeah, I know. Like, still talking about my positions, yo.
Go smoke a joint.
Good idea. Yeah, we took out the stops beneath the lowest price we made. So far, we're bouncing. We'll see where that closes. Oh, why am I tired?
All right. Oh, here we go. No echo now.
Great.
Yes.
Yes. How'd you do it?
I plugged it into my other thing.
Oh, your
not
other
the Yeti.
hole?
Yeah.
How do you like the Yeti?
It's overcomplicated.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool and all, but I feel like it's overpriced for nothing.
Oh damn! So I advised you wrongly. I'm sorry.
Nah, this one was free, so I'm not worried about it. But
Really? What? Yo, what? You got the hookup?
No, actually, the company that I bought it from, I was gonna return it back to them,
Yeah.
and they sent it back to me.
Oh, why?
I don't know, because they fucked up in the mail.
Trying
So I kind of was like,
to get
well,
another refund.
I'm not that scummy. I just figured I was like, well, I'll just wait and see if they say anything in 30 days. If they don't, then it's mine.
Coinbase pushing above 9,000. What? Yeah, I think you're pulling my leg.
Their
Yeah.
ETH USD price was a little funky earlier. Yeah, because if you look at Bitstamp right now, Bitstamp's at 84.54, so Max is at 83.56. So I'm
Wow.
really excited. Yeah, look, Coinbase is at 88.
Wow, that's crazy.
Can you see my chart? Oh, let me share it with you.
Oh yeah.
I think I drew this on one of our streams. So like basically for my own homemade POC, we're like basically coming right back over it, and this is gonna be so beautiful. This is 4 hours away from the daily.
I hope you're right.
I think we'll be good. Mags. Stop.
Yeah, your dog's aggro.
I'm mad aggro right now. She's like in the mic, like wanting to be on stream.
It's like, oh, sort the bows. Oh.
She's been upset because I haven't done like my market update with her because I let her pick the decision market direction for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've been doing it with SPY lately on Periscope.
You're so funny. Does it actually work?
She's 2 for 2 right now. Yeah, two. She's 100% strike rate right now. Better trader than me.
Oh man, that's crazy. A dog. Yes, ship me your dog, bro.
It's so fun. It's so weird. Max is over here at 83, while Coinbase is at 88, pushing 89. Dumped all the way down to 81.50. What is going on? The spreads.
Look at this. Look on Twitch. It's over 9,000. Oh, that's funny. Look how shitty the books are on Coinbase. Yeah.
Gotta watch this commercial.
Someone trying to grab all the BTC on Coinbase. The narrative.
Dude, how else is USA customers gonna buy Bitcoin? Provided it's America, it's impossible.
Impossible.
No American person is gonna be like, oh, let me go buy on Discord at OTCmarkets.com. I'm like, no.
You don't think so?
I mean, not like retail investors. I mean, if
You're
they do,
right.
they're gonna be your people that buy bullion and stuff like that, but not like
Bullying.
your average Joe or like me.
Yeah, quit bullying me, man.
Bro's screen been black for a while. Your screen's black back.
Yeah, I'm aware. And honestly, the mask is feeling a bit heavy today, so.
Oh, here, let me send you that picture over right now for the screen.
Sure. Oh yeah, I'm really curious to see what you came up with.
The BRB screen's not fancy. It's the other one that I did.
I grind it. My man. Let me know when ready, sir. Yo. Didn't even reach the...
Yeah, mad volatility going on over at Coinbase. Coinbase keeps like moving up and down like crazy.
I'll go on that.
Probably not a good idea to watch Coinbase because I don't know what fuckery is going on over there. Probably better off to just stay on Max.
Wow, look at that. Crazy.
the 1 minute chart on Coinbase is just like what?
Wow. Yeah, this is a lot clearer. A lot of volume on this. This is the 1 minute, mind you. I don't like that we didn't even bearishly retest this area. Didn't even make it. I'd like to see a bounce here. 81.90.
Hey you.
Hey, welcome to Bagsy TV, Ethereal.
Ethereal.
Ethereal. Oh shit! Oh, the whole Ethereal. Oh, sorry guys. You laughing at, bro?
I'm not laughing at you. We're laughing with you.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Am I high? No, not yet. I had to fire another technician from Bagsy TV. I've lost 3 in the last 3 weeks. Perfect bounce. Alright, so like if you're bullish, I'd have my stop beneath the level we just bounced at.
What's your Twitter handle?
Me?
Yeah.
Bro, come on, man. You know, you know.
So I have to go and find you.
I'm Bagsy.
Because I always type in I am Bagsy, not I'm Bagsy.
Oh no. Really?
So, like, I always
just type
have to go-
Bagsy, bro. Just type Bagsy.
Yeah, but
But that's not good for me if I'm not discoverable.
are you able to fix it to I am Bagsy?
It's no, someone else has it.
Oh yeah, that's probably why.
That's why I never did it.
Who has I am Bagsy? Oh, some other guy named Bagsy.
Yeah, good question, Melodis. I wonder how many are trying to ARP Coinbase to Binance.
And then he has a website called bagsiesbags.net.
No way. Yeah, okay, let me share your screen. Hold up. Ah!
He sells bags. His name is Bagsy, and he's
No way.
his name is Bagsy, and sells bags. Let's talk about bags.
Should I give that person some promo? Be like, yo, I don't know who you are, but I like your name.
Nah, let's just be like, yo, let's be like, I'll
Let's
shout you out
partner.
for clout. I'll
Give
give
me some t-shirts.
Because look at that, they have T-shirts on here, but nothing crypto. So you got to be like, yo, right now's the time.
Yo, now's the time to partner with the big Bagsy.
Yeah, give me your name, and you can have my name, and we can swap. And he looks like he's a European guy, so like, be like, yo, look, lately we've been supporting the Brits on stream.
Yeah.
We got this.
Oh, that's such a good idea, dude. I really want a purse, actually.
Look, and then he has this little cow over here. Like, I could totally steal this idea. It's like a little sheep that says Bagsy, but you could have a bull that says Bagsy inside of it.
I love it. And then just make a carbon copy of his website and
Oh, shit.
DDoS him.
He's been on BBC Wales.
He's been on the Daily Mail? What?
Oh,
Whoa. Sweeney's like, oh, he's Welsh.
Bagsy posted a drawing of
Dude.
Michael Sheen. Damn, Bagsy, you can
Dude,
draw.
that looks like a fucking sketch of a rapist on like the news. Yeah. Who did he fucking? Who is that?
That's Bagsy.
Michael
that guy-
Michael Sheen. Is that like Charlie Sheen's relative or some shit?
Nah, I don't see the resemblance there. I see more of the serial killer vibe.
Get a man bag, Bagsy. That's funny. I just might.
Hold on, let me see if this PT nurse is gone. I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure. Let me put some fucking beats on today. Let's do it. Hold up. Put some nice fucking... Yeah, it's gonna be good. YouTube.com. Oh, he's a Welsh actor. Interesting.
Who?
The Etch-a-Sketch guy.
Etch and sketch.
Oh, man.
Got a business that needs a website? I created one for my agency with Wix. I'll show you how. First,
Hi, are you retarded?
Woof, yes.
Okay. Okay, now I can look down. Finally, shut up.
Yeah, so at this point...
You said we're good?
Oh. Thought he was talking to me. Yo, like, what's your main allocations, people? Are you guys mostly in altcoins, Bitcoin, USD? What are you guys looking at right now, if you don't mind sharing? I'm primarily spot Bitcoin. All USD, nice. Bum, 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 bum. You're full of Bitcoin, just close your short. Very nice, because Coinbase is cucking you. Maybe set some stink bids. TX9, try to catch that Coinbase wick to the downside. 30% USD, nice.
So like, here's a big thing that I'm noticing right now. Remember how I drew that like diagonal line? We're having some resistance on it, and now we're reaching the clouds. So if we can break through the clouds on this 1 minute, I think we'll be good to go and reverse back up. Because what I'd be looking at now, because I'm like loving the 1 minute. So here's another diagonal line on the 1 minute. So once we break through that, that's almost guaranteed the cloud, and that's just another reverse C fork of what we drew earlier when we were talking about.
Yeah.
So, I'm so bullish, man. This market cap is.
I'm still bullish. It pulls a 12-hour up.
No, this is the market cap.
I know. But it's
Goes from the.
Oh man, you fucking killed me, dude. I hope you're right for all our sakes. It's funny. I got paid for something in Bitcoin yesterday, and I got paid for something in USDT yesterday, and I fucking bought Bitcoin with it last night. Fucking
Why'd you buy Bitcoin with it?
Because I don't like USDT.
Jesus Christ, you need to like it, man. That's like, I had that same attitude when I like first started. It's your
Excuse
friend.
me.
Don't hate it.
I mean, the thing is, like, I'm already good, like, to the downside, so it wasn't like an exorbitant amount. But yeah, hindsight. Yeah. That's how I feel about. I love my BTC. Never gonna get rid of it. Check Bitmax. Oh, I'm curious. Oh, I am very curious. Charts.cointrader.pro. Did it pump? I bet. Actually, I have no idea. I haven't looked at it in a while. Oh my Did it retest? No way! We spoke about this last week. Dude. Hold up.
You hold up.
Nah, you hold up, bro.
No, you hold up.
Nah, yo. Bitmax. Hold up, I want to see the actual price on Bitmax. Bro, let's go. Where's the fucking exchange, dog? Bitmax.
I'm down.
BTC. Daily. Wow, it went to 575 on Bitmax. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I know someone who got liquidated.
How do you know they didn't get out beforehand?
Because I know the person.
Oh, is it who I think it is?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh,
You better be giving out some refunds!
Oh no, hold up.
Dax is like financial advice turning 0 to 60
Dude,
real quick.
I gotta fucking hit him up.
Exit all markets, sir, run! That's funny.
Wow. Sorry, 1 second.
Unacceptable.
Hold up, let me drop a link. I'm gonna see if anyone in our group wants to join.
Somebody who?
If anyone in our group wants to join.
Oh, yeah, Bitcoin doesn't look like it's gonna go, because now if I draw another triangle in the 1 minute, let's see, yeah, actually, it's trying really hard. Let's see
Oh,
what
yeah,
happens.
yeah. Oh, no, hold on. What the fuck? CJ's like, I'm coming live with you, that okay? Okay, wait, I'm not gonna, he's like, okay, I'm not gonna read it, whatever. See if he comes on.
Oh, CJ, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, you should come on Telegram, Ace.
I know. I'm gonna do that today.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that today for sure.
Okay, let me share my screen.
I'm hoping when you do this, it comes out to be the right way. So I'm gonna send this over to you.
Hey, Pierre's coming too.
Awesome. Gifts too large? I guess I'll have to email it over to you.
My gift's too large.
Okay. Can you...
What do you need, bro?
Why can't I send you a message? Oh, there we go.
Why is Coinbase 8,500 and Robinhood says 83?
Robinhood's liquidity and shit
Yeah,
fucked up.
like different exchanges price themselves based off different indexes. So that's the first reason. The second reason, like Ace said, just liquidity.
Like it's all everybody's catching up right now. Right now, Mex is leading the market. Everywhere else is like all messed up right now.
So is Coinbase correct? I don't know. I think the highest volume exchanges. So in this case, BitMEX.
You get hit with spreads and fees at Coinbase, so I would say probably not. I mean, maybe the price looks right, but I mean, my own true value would. I'm personally looking at the BitMEX's value. Or at least Binance's. Not
BitMEX went to 2 cents.
No, I've been watching the 1 minute like.
Oh my god! On the USDT pairing, BitMax,
Oh,
like the token, it went to 2 cents.
Definitely got liquidated.
No. Oh no!
All right, I just sent it over to you in your
Where'd you send it to me, bro?
in Google Hangouts.
Bro, okay, cool. 1 second. Sorry.
Let's see if that one works. It should work.
Show messages. There's no messages in Google Hangouts, bruh.
Yes, there is. I can see that I sent one.
Great.
Hey, how about the hey I just sent you?
Oh. Okay, well, I'm getting it on my phone.
Oh, weird.
Okay, well, it's probably on the website. Okay, hold up. I know why. Google Hangouts chats. Okay, let me not. Okay, Bagsy. Cool.
Let me just check out.
Yeah, I just got your message. What are you trying to show me, bro?
There's the GIF.
Oh, sick.
Try that one. See how it uploads.
Hey. Okay, let me not share my thing in case I do something stupid and open up wrong. You know.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do stupid shit.
So if anybody was watching SPY today, what an interesting 1 minute price action. I didn't really watch it today, but it looks like wow. All right, so for my legacy people, so we opened up, we pumped up on open a little bit, and then we completely dumped all day long, except this one weird point over here where we had an extremely high candle buy and then a push right back down, but keeping the higher low. Man, like I feel like that was plunge production coming in because we're testing the 20 SMA right now. If we close in the morning with the 20 SMA and we close underneath of it, I mean, that's guaranteeing that you're going to break down. But yeah, if anybody was watching Legacy and has any outputs on Legacy markets or anything regular Legacy, that'd be cool. I'm in silver, so I'm playing silver right now. It never fully broke down this trend. We and Bagsy talked about it. Hit the gap on 1634-ish over here, filled both gaps, and has been up since.
Interesting. This looks pretty good, man. Thank you.
Is it coming out right?
Yeah.
Oh, let me check the Twitch now. Oh, look at it. That looks pretty cool.
That's pretty cool, man. Thank you. All right,
Alright.
so let me close this because we're actually here. Let me turn on my display. Actually, let me first get out of this. I'm always so paranoid I'm going to push the wrong button and then... Ta-da!
It's Bagsy.
The Bagsy revealing. All right, we're back, ladies and gents.
I don't think anybody really has like the screenshot button on like lockdown for any of these streams where they're like, all right, we got to screenshot all this educational content.
I know, dude. I don't put it past anyone. They got their finger on the trigger. I'm just kidding. I'm not that fucking important. Do you know anyone who thinks the world revolves around them?
Me.
Me.
Just kidding.
Yeah. Anyone in chat? You guys know anyone like that?
My dog's like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little one, the one I first got.
The one you first got. This is Bagsy. This is the second biggest liquidation in Bitcoin history after the 6K dropped to 3K in 2018. Wow, really?
Interesting. What size?
Yeah. What was the size of that?
And was it on BitMEX?
Good question. I said Ahmed on Periscope. Are we getting a bounce? I mean,
Oh shit, Periscope.
yeah, I got some secret chats going on, bruh.
Dang, let me go on the Periscope.
Yeah.
We're on Periscope. That means
Oh shit. Okay, hold up. Oh, yeah, 1 second.
See how. What was I gonna look up?
Oh. 1 second. Sorry, ladies and gents.
Put the BRB screen up.
Yeah! Fuck yeah! Hold up. Oops. That's hilarious.
Oh look, Bagsy's a League of Legends player, guys.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, here.
Funding on Bybit still positive.
Bang! Yeah. Oh, dude, it looks like it's gonna pop right here. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's
Yo,
do
what's
it.
up, boys?
Hey.
Yo, what's up, Pierre? Ça va?
Pierre.
Pierre. Ça va,
I'll
man?
just call you Pierre.
Okay, so dude, how have you been? How's your day?
My day is going marvelous.
Yeah.
What have you ate today? Anything
It feels
yummy?
it feels so weird because like I'm seeing the count dying and I still don't give a fuck. It's so weird. I'm like, yeah, okay. I'm up plus 30% in 2 hours. What are you talking about?
Like, what's the problem here? You
But
crazy
I
fuck.
I have a request for all of you.
You have a weakness?
A request.
A request. What's up, dude?
You're gonna have to buy each and any one of you 1 Bitcoin worth of new, please.
I got you, bro. As soon as I get off. What? Okay, hold on. Let me pull up new. And let me take off this. Be right back.
To be honest, I'm not even killing. The 30 between 28 sats and 30 sats, as long as it holds and bounce, it could be a fucking golden entry if UOB decides to pop like Nika is saying. If it does, oh boy.
Yeah, I mean, first thing I like is you have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour.
Yeah.
You're
watching USDT or Bitcoin pair?
Bitcoin. I'll go on the real pair.
I'm on the Bitcoin pair too. This
Holy
is the one
fuck.
this is the one I'm watching mostly.
Yeah.
I've shared my charts on.
Okay. Hold up. Where? Oh, on your profile?
No, wait.
Okay.
Wait, you're not on stream.
I am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, don't freak me
Oh,
out.
fuck.
Yeah, we're live.
No,
You scared me. I was like, no.
Mate, I didn't know you were streaming. I could have arrived like saying shit and things like this.
Oh, you didn't know we were streaming?
No. I thought it was like
Hey,
guys, join the
yeah.
call.
No, well, yeah. Why not?
Wait, I'm gonna send you the chart on Twitter.
That's so funny. What rank? Like gold 4. Funding on Bybit still positive. What?
Yeah,
Is it on Twitter? That you sent
on your
it?
Twitter, yeah. And by the way, RCN, Repo Credit Network, is going to pump hard too.
RCN.
Yeah, this one is a chat coin.
That one is actually at like I remember back in the day when I was trading that one, that was like the most important zone, the price that it's at right now in terms of sats. So I wouldn't be
exactly.
surprised.
exactly.
Oh my god.
The two coins I'm actually buying right now on Binance are TNT and SCN. Both of them have, I don't know, they just look very strong.
Yeah, I'm looking at NEO right now.
If we have some sort of altcoin strength, I'm betting more on UOB than Binance, but there are a few Binance setups that could actually be very cool. Just
Yeah.
like the last couple of weeks, to be honest, people are saying art season is dead and things like this, but the truth is that if you look at the right place, you have great buys absolutely everywhere right now.
Yeah, TNT is looking pretty bullish.
Which is insane because he already moved so much.
Yeah.
And the thing is that if you flip on the weekly basis, on the weekly charts, it's been in the same range since September 2018. The day it flips 550 sats, that would be yeah. You want to be long when that happens.
Man, I remember when we were trading it around here. Remember when we were talking about it around 300 to 400?
Yeah.
I forget who was the first to talk about it though, but and then it wicked into that 700 level, 800 level, into weekly resistance.
On which one? On
TNT.
On TNT?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a few months ago.
And the thing is that you can see it on the weekly. Like it closed right below 544, and then it retraced like 50%. This range has been so nice to trade for TNT for a year now. Like,
It's true.
Fuck.
That's interesting. Somebody said, "Did you find out what's up with the BTC hash rate dropping 40%?"
I have no idea.
Ooh,
That's a good question.
That's a great question.
I have absolutely no idea.
Ah, learning things. Can we look at Doc?
Doc has been. I have a chart for Doc. I've been
Cool.
trading it lately. I don't know what it looks like right now, but oh yeah, Doc is. I've shared a chart of Doc earlier.
Fucking dog.
What did he said?
He put a meme. People with $40 portfolios waiting for us to figure this shit out. That's pretty good. Oh man.
Wait, does that work? Oh, okay.
Yeah, link.
I've shared my screen if you want to see the Doc chart I had.
I don't see your screen. Okay, now I don't see your screen.
Okay.
What's with the dude in the seatbelt? That's funny. Can you take a look at FTM? Staking will go live at the end of the month. Do you guys see when pump? I mean, right now I think it would be kind of irresponsible to think that, well, I don't know. I'd have to look at the chart. I think it's already priced in usually. If it's a mainnet, you could see 20, 30, 50% maybe, but typically you'd want to sell the rally at that point. So could it pump? Yeah. If it does, I definitely take profit or consider getting out. And this is not financial advice.
It's financial advice. Yes, done.
Yeah. The
Okay, I'm all in. I'm all
Yeah.
in.
Oh my god.
Too late.
Man, I need to get some mofos on the stream tomorrow night.
Is CJ on?
Oh no, there's two Pierres.
Oh.
No, CJ couldn't. I had misunderstood. But yeah, I need to find some people. Oh man. Let me read
I
chart.
fucking love this type of days in crypto.
What's up, Lupalumbo? You like massacre days?
I mean, yeah,
To some,
definitely.
it's a massacre.
It might definitely be harsh for a lot of people, but it's like it's volatility heaven. It's like,
Yeah.
and finally people are going to stop whining about the fucking CME gap.
Where is the CME gap?
You just filled it.
It just got filled.
Unfucking believable, man.
Can you
Unfucking believable.
can you pull that up, Ace?
Yeah, that shit is unbelievable, man. Like, that's such a meme. Look, I even have it drawn out over here. Completely filled the gap over here. So the only thing really left to do now, I mean, it would pump, but then like the worst case would be we'd fill a gap down here, but that's already been filled technically.
Yeah, I believe it was the last one unfilled.
Let me reset these Ichis back to like regular stock markets and see how this is looking. Yeah, this should look a lot better. No. Yeah, but the gap's filled, so we have no reason not to pump back up. Because if we go off the last gap fill, we are seeing. Let's see. Yeah, we recovered 13% last time when we did a gap fill, and then 13% from up here would be so funny, right above like this little area right up here. So that's what I'm aiming for, pretty much. 9,000 seems like a fair gap fill, and then push back up.
Yeah. We'll see.
What's that, bro?
Up.
Get Vitalik on the line. That's funny.
Sir.
Man, this market's insane. What a day. Pump back up would be nice. You're 100x. What? Crypto
Dude,
dude.
If you're 100x at like sub 8,000, you're good.
Yeah.
But I'm 7.7 times long on BitMEX.
7.7.
It's my lucky number.
That's true. That's true. Yeah.
Made so much bread while watering the yard. Dude, that's the best. Dude, Bagsy, we're in the clouds. We are ready to go and push this thing to...
You mean literally or the price?
Well, the price, the 1 minute price. Thank you guys for here on stream. The other guys everybody else on stream who's watching, we were talking about it getting into the clouds on the 1 minute, and that's pretty much where we are. I'll show you guys. Bam, and let's push on through.
Wow, have you seen the fundings on MEX?
No, how are they looking?
They're in favor of long 0.37
Yeah, I think somebody said on Bybit the funding's still positive.
for the next 15 hours. But well, that's the predicted funding rate.
I mean, I don't solely use Ichimoku, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, me neither. I usually just use it as an indicator. But yeah.
Somebody else was saying oof Ichimoku in chat.
It's Urban TA.
No.
The good thing is that the people who were saying that people in 2015, 16, 17 were only lucky because they rode a bull run, now they actually know how it feels, and that it's just not clear skies and easy every day.
No, I think people know that. Yeah.
No, they do, but many people were still like, yeah, it's easy to make money when it's just going up all the time. Yeah. How is it going for you this year? Rape. Yo, Bagsy, what are you buying in altcoins?
At the moment, nothing.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm out of position.
You're not even long FTT?
I was.
I got
just took.
I got
I
stopped.
just. Ah, fuck. I just took profits. I'm looking for the second trade.
Nice. Let me
If
pull
it's-
it up.
Bagsy, when you get a chance, when you're done with that, can you give me your thoughts on GLD?
GLD.
I'm about to go long on this too. Oh, man.
Hey you, welcome
Sure.
to Bagsy TV.
Yo, welcome to Bagsy TV. Brains damaged. That's a funny username.
Damn, FTX token really did pop.
24% ish.
Yeah. I caught this one.
Nice.
He's like, I got them all.
No, but it's funny because it was like I had this chart with a blue circled area, and I said a couple of days ago, I want this to be retested and I want to enter here. I took some trades in between.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
And yeah, earlier I was like, oh, I got filled finally in the green, in the blue circled area. I check my phone, I see Bitcoin dying, I'm like, fuck off. I check FTT, it's plus for 20%. Okay.
Okay, I'll take it.
I'll take that.
The USD pairing for FTT is fucked up though.
Well, yeah.
Look at that, man. Nasty. Wow.
I just got filled on TNT.
Nice. What's your entry, brah?
For 432 sats.
Attaboy. We're going to the moon.
This is the fourth trade I take on this one. I might be pushing the luck
Yeah.
a bit.
I don't like it just yet, but I mean, best of luck to you, my friend.
And fucking RCN.
RCN, yeah, dude, that was crazy.
Mate, I don't know if you've seen the tweet, but it was like I bought a bag, like a tiny little bag, a few days ago, something like this.
Mhm.
And I was so focused on UOB that I wasn't even watching
This.
Binance. I log into Binance and nobody was talking about it. It literally did times two, and nobody was talking about it. So I had no idea it was actually going up. I opened my phone and I opened Binance and I'm like, wait, am I the stupidest people ever? Why did I just didn't buy more? I took profit, relonged with Nika, and it did plus 50% again. It's like shat coin. But I don't want to push the luck again.
Man.
Fucking Bitcoin, mate.
Yeah, Urban, I'm just trading. I'm trading options, so I get the same volatility I get in crypto, if not more intense.
Yeah, I can only imagine.
Like this GLD, like I was just looking at this one. I want to get into this one for like October, and I want to hit at least like 200% on this one. So
Wait, it's
I aim really high.
The ticker is GLD.
Yep. Yeah,
What's the name?
let me get your opinion on that. That'd be the best because you guys don't trade regular stocks.
Yeah, exactly. Which GLD and which one is it?
It's SBDR Gold Trust shares.
Gold Trust. Okay. And what time frames are you looking at?
The daily.
Bro.
Yeah, Urban's like, I got filled on FTT, but only risk 0.03%. RIP.
Jesus, that one went well.
Yeah.
Wow.
The only thing's the volume, but
Did you enter this one already?
I had traded it initially in the beginning when it was at like 125, and I had just gotten out recently, so I wanted to get back in for a continuation run.
Wow.
Because on the weekly time frame, I mean, I'm aiming for like just a little bit more higher. I think it could at least hit at least 152 or 150 on the weekly.
I was about to tell you 152, yeah. Yeah, 152 would be the area to flip, take profit if you're long already. on the weekly basis. That's what 5%, 6% away from here.
So
But
like
if-
with. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so on a daily basis, you could enter here. Best entry would be obviously 140, in my opinion. But I don't know if you're gonna get that one.
Yeah, I probably won't.
You're trading what leverage?
So I'm doing options. So like for me, it's a little bit different. So I'll be buying
Oh, yeah?
them right off at market price for $2 a piece because like each contract for my options is 100 shares. So I get
Okay.
100 shares for $2.05 a piece.
Okay.
So I'm gonna expect if it does hit 152, it hits that around I don't know. We're looking pretty bad right now with other things. So I'm guessing probably like early October. So at least like 171%. Somewhere between
Yeah.
that and 135 over a 5% move.
Well, in my opinion, if you break 146, it's going for 152 after that. But I don't believe it will break 152 on the first time, or it will need to retrace a bit. So
Sorry.
if you're long already, 146 would be a good target. Above that, it's free money.
I'm ready.
Yeah. The weekly chart is insane on this thing.
Yeah, it just started popping crazy. That's the one play on silver. It has the same chart as that one, and that's the one that I ended up hitting 1,800%, and thankfully closed out because of Bagsy. Bagsy was like, "Dude, you're retarded if you don't sell here."
Yeah, trading options is fun until you have to stress about expiry.
Yeah, exactly.
That applies if like, I mean, I never end up holding options until my expiration anymore. I'm in and out. If I'm doing like day trading options, like where it's like, for example, like on Tuesday last week, I played SPY puts or whatever, but the expiration was Friday. I never ever do short expirations like that. I always end up doing things that are at least a month or two out. But that one I kind of just left just to try it out. That was my first time. Completely got liquidated. But that was my fault. If I would have exited the day before expiration, I would have been up 40%. But I already had took some profit, but my remainder just got taken back. It was a trial and error thing. But yeah, I don't like doing the short ones and having to worry about expiration. That is where the money's at, though, the short-term ones. I see people trading them, like even me when I before I got marked as PDT on my one account, like basically you could bang out from open to close like 60% within like an hour or two, and I was like, wow, this is nuts. And it's not hard if you've been watching it for like 6 months straight.
Yeah.
There goes Bitcoin. I'm ready. You guys still have a chance to get long.
At least now you're in profit.
Oh yeah, I'm way in profit now.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, hold up.
Market cap slowly recovering.
Boom. What's up, Porky?
Ooh, Porky.
Dead cat bouncing. I want to see what Ethereum's up to.
Loom is killing me with his loom lines.
What do you mean?
Insane.
Wait, did it hit again?
Yeah. Right, let me show you his charts.
I'm going on his profile. Is it today?
I don't know if you shared it on Telegram. I've just sent it to you in messages.
DMs?
Yeah.
Alright. Thanks, bro.
Thanks, brah.
Thanks, Bree. Here. Ah!
This guy is a fucking legend.
What? What's up, J-Bags?
Every time he's sending his chart, I'm like, no way. No way that it's.
Like, how many trend lines do you think he has? Like,
I don't
for
know,
every
mate.
scenario, you know?
His chart, when he's showing up, everything on his chart must be like a Picasso.
Yeah. And he said when he reaches 100,000 followers, he'll reveal the secret of the loop lines.
The secret sauce.
What a guy. Yeah, what a fucking guy.
AJ Bags, what's up, man?
What's your guys' percentage gain on your account from today's volatility? Urban asks.
1 second, I got some.
I don't know if Pierre wants to share.
Sorry, what?
I'm probably net down a bit. He's asking, what's your profitability from trading today's volatility?
I haven't been trading Bitcoin today, so I completely missed the shorts. I've only been trading on UAB. I'm up plus 30% today on Bitcoin on the FTT pair, plus 35%. That's the only trade I took today. I took a loss on Binance. I don't know. It must be something like plus 15, plus 20, 10, 50% in Bitcoin. But considering Bitcoin is down on USD and it's down 15%, I'm like
Kif.
kif.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Yeah, for
But
me,
I have completely missed. I haven't been paying attention to Bitcoin for a while now. I will most likely try to. I only got some spot buy fields, but nothing more.
he's like, I'm still sucking money out of Hiobi.
Exactly. I don't know, mate. I'm in this situation where a good day is a day up in Bitcoin, and sometimes I'm like, yeah, but if Bitcoin is down 20%, that's stupid. But that's because I'm a bull tard. I'm convinced that it's going to trade higher eventually.
Mm-hmm.
And UAB is fun.
Excuse me. Yeah, nice call on that, Ace.
Yeah. I practiced long and hard for knife catching.
Bitcoin going to sub 3K. That's funny. Can you discuss medium macro scenarios for Bitcoin until the end of the year? Either we moon or we accumulate. I don't think we doom.
For Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
Either we moon, accumulate, or doom.
before you answer this, Pierre, remember this guy has feelings, okay?
Yeah, let's deliver it nicely. Yeah.
well, the only thing I have to say is that in 233 days, the number of Bitcoin distributed by block mined will be reduced to 6.25, becoming the hardest form of money society ever used and trade, with 1.8 inflation, better than gold. So we might doom a bit, but if we doom, use this to buy as much as you can, and it's not a financial advice.
So
It
counter argument to that would be is basically, I mean, obviously the miners get fucked because they're not going to be making as much, but
Yeah,
what about this whole time they have been?
they have been what?
They have been mining. I mean,
Oh yeah.
yeah, boys, we're seeing some rejection here. I'm probably going to take a little bit off here.
Do you remember the famous? U pattern?
Yeah.
It's coming, boys.
I think so too, dude. I was gonna be the first to say it. That's hilarious.
Well, that's just a bull tard in me talking.
No larpers allowed.
Nicole, fucking Z. No larpers allowed. He's going to make bank on this one.
Volatility just exploded. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Did you? Yeah, look, Coinbase was just going nuts. Let me pull that up for some people.
Yo, Algo Moon.
Actually, I'll do bit stamp because that was going nuts as well. Like Bitstamp is just going up and
Jesus.
down versus BitMEX, which was in its own little range at the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking SCN.
Yeah, and Coinbase right now looks like shit because Coinbase popped all the way up to 89.
Wow. Crazy shit, man.
Sketchy.
I might long dog here.
Yeah, Urban, same here, man. I don't really. Well, I mean, personally, I'm just gonna say I don't really personally care about it. It's cool and all. I mean, there's definitely uses for it, but at the end of the day, I am here for USD fiat. I'm not here for anything else. Maybe in the beginning I was here for Bitcoin, but then as I learned what I was doing, I'm like, well, I want more fiat. I can become an investor of Bitcoin and keep adding on profits, but that's not what I really care about.
Man, for once I'd open my camera, and we have like a good amount of people in here. I'm starting to think that I'm the problem.
I could share something. I actually meant to share it with you. I'll share it with you after stream. Somebody said.
Cool.
He's like, oh, heart races.
So, oh, great. Concerned. Man.
Okay.
So many fucking characters in the space. What's up here?
No, nothing. I'm talking with myself.
Well, fuck you, man. Interrupting me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I could use a beer right now. Hold up. I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. I have this beer / apple cider mix. It's so fucking good.
Yeah, but that's very gay too.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say. You have a vagina also. I'm sorry, Bagsy. You set yourself up.
Sorry, mate. It had to go out.
He ran away.
He's like, yeah, fuck you guys. I have feelings too.
Yeah, I have some Yingling here, but it's a little heavy. I'd rather go get Stella.
I don't have beer anymore. After this weekend, everything's gone.
What do you mean everything's gone?
I had beers, then friends came by.
Oh.
Oh, I like this sound.
What are your favorite drinks, Pierre?
Beer.
What kind?
Belgium
Anything in
one.
particular? Yeah.
Oof.
Yo. Oh, okay, that was a good drink. Yo, Urban Bourbon is a good fucking name. Do you like Bourbon, Pierre?
No, not that much. I'm more into Ricard.
Ooh, which one?
Ricard.
Like Rickard's red, white,
Oh, no.
or is it like Rickard's cousin, Ricard?
Oh, no. You're misinterpreting. No, Ricard is pastis.
What's
I
that?
don't know if you guys if you know that in States.
I don't.
What are we talking about?
Talking about
Beats me.
alcohol. It's alcohol from south of France.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Well, no. Everybody's drinking it, but it's mainly south of France.
Oh, the White Claws. Yeah.
Are people mainly
Ricard.
drinking it because it's cheap or because it's good?
Is that seltzer water?
No, it's not cheap. It's like 25 euros the bottle. No, they're drinking because it's good. It's mainly a summer drink. You know, you drink that when you're close to the pool with the seagull singing, playing pétanque. Don't laugh. That's my life, mate.
No. It's a supportive laugh. Man, that's cool. Shit. Man.
Damn, RCN is going crazy.
Really?
I'm happy I didn't solve everything, but I was way more heavy this morning on this one. I should have
Yeah.
hold.
You're.
I made a tweet just to laugh, saying, "Wouldn't it be nice to have an alt season after that?"
Yo, it's
People were
going crazy.
Jesus.
Nice.
I don't know money here. What's that little ad on the bottom right, Pagsy? What are all these weird ads you keep getting? What was the last one? Last one was something about.
What?
I don't know, man. The fuck? Yo, I think I.
Can someone clip this?
No. Cause I don't think that. Ah, fuck. I gotta read the terms and conditions of Twitch. I don't want to mess with that shit.
How to get banned from Twitch? Lesson 1.
Not only Bagsy does not meet his goal, he gets kicked off Twitch.
On the day of his fucking goal.
That's a plus 25% bounce on RCN.
Damn, it says zero.
Alright,
it says
thanks, Falcon.
0 hours to go, Bagsy. You should delete that.
Wait, what?
It
What?
said 0 hours to go. That it's up. You should delete it.
But I can't.
I can't.
Man, this is the second video I have to fucking delete today.
Why? Why the second one?
Well, because of the dick.
That wasn't a dick. That was a finger.
It was?
Yeah, it was a finger with jelly all over it.
Yeah, I believe so too.
Don't worry, Bagsy. You didn't have porn open, okay?
Yo.
It's quite embarrassing for you not to know how a dick looks like, though.
Dude, I didn't even want to look at it, dude. Like, I peripherally saw what it was. I'm like, I'm avoiding that, and I'll take the word of my friends. And apparently, I was wrong.
Porky just posted a clip of it so you could watch.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's the first time Nightbot had spoken in a while.
Yeah, Nightbot's like, raw.
It might confuse Twitch's dick detection algo.
That'd be funny.
Ew, Matic.
Yeah.
Yo, this TNT long is doing great. Plus 10%. I'm
Attaboy.
securing profits. That's a good day. I don't know why people are crying.
He was like, I'm sitting back by the beach, the water,
Yeah.
drinking my drink.
Drinking my bourbon. Or whatever you're drinking. What's it called again?
Rika.
Rika.
I'm not surprised you don't know because...
Oh, the Rita drinks.
The what?
The Ritas?
No,
Yeah.
Rika, for fuck's sake. Wait,
Oh.
let me find you something. It's
Can you
like
spell
one of
it?
the most. It's a pastis and it's one of the most drunk. I don't know how to say that in English. In French, in France, it's like everybody drink that. Everybody, mainly old people and people from south of France.
Dang, I could have caught this TNT move if I paid attention to alts. I really
Mate,
paid attention.
the TNT is literally the first word I said when I entered this stream.
I'm talking about just like from entering it from like last week. Just like 10 days ago would have been
Oh yeah.
insane. It's a
It's
Yeah,
gonna
that
go.
little
It's gonna
75.
go for. It's gonna go for range high, and then it's gonna either break it or die. But
It literally pumped 109%. That is
yes,
nuts.
sir. And people
Wow.
still say there are no art season. It's not because. It's not because you don't make money on arts that they're dead, mate.
I'll tell you what they're waiting for. They're waiting for this. This is what they're waiting for. Hang on, how many percent is this? They're waiting for that 600% or the 400% or even the 284%.
But you know what's gonna happen? This is my prediction. The more the market evolves, and the players within it become more educated about trading in general. Since now it's becoming more easily accessible for people, as in you don't have to call your broker to make a trade, yada yada. There are computers now. I think that support resistance or whatever, you know, the overall flavor of the market will play out more often, and I think people will start learning to take profit more over time, and like what we're drilling or trying to drill into people's heads will actually start really reflecting on how the market plays out. Then again, I also think, you know, there are a lot of algorithms, and how much of it is actually just that and not retail money. So I don't know. I think that this is the reason why it's becoming, you know, that you know, not necessarily that L season hasn't happened again, but that the conditions have been really just like choppy and shit.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
But then again, I think about Huobi, and then like that just discredits everything I just said.
No, it's exactly what you said. Shitcoins pumping on UOB are not pumping based on retail money. It's mainly market making, and it's mainly low volume. And I don't believe anyone actually bought XMX for times 10. It doesn't even have a website. Nobody knows what XMAX is.
They don't. They think it's a scam because they hear BitMax and they're like, "Oh, it must be a scam."
I didn't say BitMax. I said XMAX. It's a shitcoin on UOB.
Yeah, X-Max.
What?
XMAX. It's a shitcoin that pumped in June. It did plus 1k 600%
Wow.
in 5 days.
Wow, yeah, I see that. Crazy.
And when it happened, it didn't even had. I don't even know if it does, but it didn't even had a website.
Oh, okay, I found it.
Insane, bro.
Oh,
This was one of the first very fun coins on
Yeah.
UOB.
Look at that. Talk about coming back to the listing price. Jesus. And even the listing was insane.
Yeah, that's the UOB fuck you pattern.
What's
And-
this?
And this is what's coming for Seal.
What about
Oh,
what
yeah?
about OGO on
Let's put seal,
on
please.
Huobi?
Oh, Ogo and new Ogo is I like it. I don't know what to
Seal.
I don't know what to think about the current price. I haven't been watching it a lot, but
I think a little bit lower.
it's a fairly new coin on UOB, and I tend to like to trade new coins on UOB.
Do
Like,
you think the top's in for seal?
Sorry,
Do you think the top's in for seal?
nope.
That whatever that long time frame you just had up for Seal looked really nice. I think
Seal is going for. I wish I could share my screen, but I think it's not working. It tells me I'm sharing my screen, but I believe you can't see it.
Try again.
Bagsy, share a screen.
But I see it's not on.
Yeah, it tells me it is, but yeah, wait. I'm just going to relaunch. No, Seal is going. Seal is a slow one. Wait. Hop. Partager l'écran.
Hey, whoever in chat was asking about that hash rate question, if you look at my Twitter, I asked everybody and people gave some really good answers. Actually, if you can have Nightbot link my Twitter.
Of course. Of course. I'll do it here.
Does it work? I don't believe so. Looks like
Oh, let me try. No. Yes.
Can you-
Yes. Yeah, it worked for a second.
Wait.
There you go, it's back. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's gone.
Yeah,
Hey.
I just cut it, but
Can you short on Huobi?
so shorting ads?
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh. Because Lambada looks interesting.
Lambada.
If
You mean Lambda?
If you could, there are so many things that would be insane to short. But
Yeah, right.
Remember I traded Seal with you like when you first told me about it, but I didn't stay in it forever.
Nah.
yeah, I'm like times 10 on Seal since June.
Crazy.
It's my coin. Well, long story short, for
Hey, you.
for
Welcome to
Seal,
Bags TV.
it's going to retest maybe 27k sats, but it won't go lower than that, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. Welcome
And
to
it
Bags
will-
TV. Fuck, I forgot his name. Sorry, keep going.
Crypto is dead.
Crypto's dead. There you go. I was gonna say brain dead, but it wasn't that.
Just losing followers left and right.
I know. Like, what's
Oh,
going
but you
on?
can see my charts. I didn't know the screen was.
Yeah, man. Let's do it, babe.
That looks really
Yeah,
good.
well, this is basically Seal for the last couple of. It's been since March, something like this. Yeah, March, April. This is good. He tried just a few days ago to make a move, but couldn't move higher than 32k. That was the first take profit in a while. It's going to retrace here, and I said that a couple of days ago already, but it's gonna retest to 27k, and I'm expecting it to hold, and it would be a golden entry, in my opinion.
Mhm.
Because the most bullish chart.
I feel like posting a Boganoff meme. Don't be but I will not make fun of that.
Yeah, just looking off that one, I mean, what you have right there. As long as it doesn't break that diagonal trend that it's holding up on, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's the risk. But
Yeah.
what is the most funniest about Seal is that what the fuck is that?
That's a fucking rowboat, man.
Like when you go on lower time frames, it's literally 3 hours per 3 hours. Like
They said turn on the volumizer.
it's like it's exactly that.
It's really strange.
No, that's absolutely normal.
It's gone. It'll
No,
be
but the true UOB chat coin, please make this one happen. Oh, I got filled at 30 sats.
Somebody
What's-
said, I
what's the
can't believe you
market
guys are
cap on
talking
this?
about alts after Bitcoin had a 150.
Yeah, well,
Pierre's over here just busting out 15-20% while things are down.
Yeah.
And if you were on stream earlier, I mean, me and Bagsy, we both longed like early. I mean, I longed 80.75 and 80.50, and then another one at 80.35, or 80.50, or 88.350.
Hubba.
What happened to Coinbase earlier? There was some sort of premium, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Shitcoin.
pretty big. I wonder how many people made money off that.
I don't know,
Arbitrage
but-
bots and shit.
Shit.
Yeah, that was a savage move on Bitcoin, to be honest. Jeez.
Yeah.
The thing is that you could actually expect 9k
Excuse
to
me.
be some sort of resistance now.
Mhm.
I don't know.
Yeah, we better
Yeah,
hope
that
the
was for
next
Seal.
3 hours reverses quickly. Imagine just a Chad pump back up.
That would be fucking hilarious.
That would be the fucking... A $500 arbitrage opportunity, that's huge. US got wrecked, 20% in BTC. What? Yo, let's look at that.
Oh yeah, about to get some Taco Bell.
Nice. What kind of Taco Bell?
I don't know, man.
Whoa, look at fucking EOS. What the fuck?
Recovery.
So what the fuck is going on?
When did these contracts expire on Bitmax?
Jesus.
Dude, they took out all the stops. These contracts expire at the end of the year.
Hey, you.
Oh, no.
Welcome to Bags TV.
Oh, wow, stupid. They expire September 27th.
So in a couple days.
Yeah.
So funny.
Yeah.
EOS almost retraced to 2019 low.
New lows on next contracts every time. Somebody should look that up. How often next
Yeah.
contracts, when they get listed, how often they list and go up or list and go down.
Yeah.
Wow, so far in this contract alone, it's been a
Downtrend,
63% down drop.
And imagine the people who like bought on listing, like they're chilling. Imagine they probably bought on like full leverage too, almost. God, can't imagine.
Insanity. Anomality. Man.
Does it happen often to you too that a reg gets so that gets an alt, not a rect, an alt gets wrecked so hard that you just don't look at it for a couple of months, and when you
Yes.
come back, your drawings are like,
Spot on.
yeah, was I
Yeah.
really looking to buy here?
Absolutely.
I'm happy I didn't.
Yeah, no, exactly. What the fuck? Why did Adam Sandler just... Oh, did I click on something? Oh, I clicked on Adam Sandler. I just saw like a search bar come up for Adam Sandler. Like, what the fuck? Is someone hacking my computer? It's like an Adam Sandler fan.
Who you are?
Yeah, he's funny, but that's not what I was saying. Yo, Cardano.
What's your favorite movie jumping back to?
The Longest Yard.
Oh, interesting. Have you seen Click?
Yes.
Man, that movie's depressing and sad.
You know, did you see that one where he's like he has like cancer? He's a comedian.
That's Click. Wait, no, that's
and
not.
he hires Seth Rogen as a writer.
Click. No, I haven't seen.
That was depressing.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh, you gotta see it. It's really good. I forget the name.
Who are we talking about?
Adam Sandler. He's a Jewish comedian.
Oh,
slash
yeah.
actor.
Did you just describe him?
Well, what do you want me to say? What's wrong with
You
that?
just said.
Bro, you're a French
He's a
fucker.
Jewish
Like it's the same fucking. Funny people. Thank you, Jumpin' Joe Briggs. Thank you.
That's okay. Yeah. I know that guy.
ZRX
fan
up
of this.
3% today.
Sorry, what?
I'm like ZRX is up 3% today.
Oof, thank God, man. That's a long
Do-
way to
do-
go.
Do you want to? Yeah. Well, I have. This is just insane. This is the first time in a while that I watched this chart.
Oh, yeah,
It could actually be a great buy here.
sure. You want to pull it up?
Yeah. Wait.
Yes, sir.
This is exactly the type of you forget about the coin and you just press play. Then a few months later, I believe I charted that.
Nice,
August.
sir.
Do you see that?
No one believed you.
Yes, I even took a loss on this one, but then
No, that sucks.
I would be longing here.
Really?
Pump my bags,
What kind
Peter,
of
please.
what kind of stop would you place if you would place a stop?
Yo, Mount Doji.
I would place it. Yeah. Quite random, to be honest.
Mhm.
I don't know. It's like, wait, let me find the.
But you can relax that stop a little.
I really like the way it's reclaiming 100 EMA. Yeah.
Mhm.
I believe if you look at Doc, yeah, not this one. Many of them have been, yeah, for example, the 88. Yeah, not this one. I don't remember which one, but we had a coin earlier. We did something like this. It retested 100 MA. It could actually be. I mean, it's been a while last time we've been above it. I would give it a shot, but considering resistance is so close, it's like 10% away. Now, you know what? The safest trade here would be to wait for this one to flip. It proved again it was a strong resistance here. If this one flips, ZRX actually has some sort of plus 20% in the bag, in my opinion. But it's still far away from that. It's encouraging. I believe it could show some strength, but it would be too soon, too long.
For a dip against Bitcoin, it did up pretty nice, I'd say.
Yeah, it's strong. It's above 100 MA, but it's a bit below a strong resistance. So, I mean,
But then you have the paradox that Bitcoin's going to correct upwards. Let's say
that's
example.
exactly what I was going to say.
Yeah.
The longs I want to the altcoins I want to long are the one that are going to be strong whenever Bitcoin corrects. And I believe that, for example, if you watch the dump on altcoins, for example, TNT and RCN, they hold the ground when Bitcoin failed, and they actually bounced harder than Bitcoin when it started correcting a bit. It's actually a great sign of a coin that is strong enough to don't give a fuck about Bitcoin. And I mean, I've been saying that for months now. I mean, I'm not the only one, but
Yeah,
if you want to make money on altcoins lately, you can't just pick a random coin. You have to find the ones that are absolutely decorrelated to Bitcoin. That's why UOB is so great, because most of the coins out there absolutely don't give a damn about Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Sometimes
and
it's good.
Yeah, and to dwell on more on what he's saying, that's the thing I'm always talking to you guys about is reactivity towards Bitcoin. I'd rather play a pair that's reacting positively towards Bitcoin if I'm entering a long rather than something short and get wrecked by the volatility.
Exactly that.
Yo,
Exactly
everyone in chat. Do me a small kindness, retweet that tweet. Let's get some more people in here.
Give him a little follow too.
Man, this cider was really good. Jesus. It's heaven.
Hard apple cider.
Would you say Doc holds up well against Bitcoin? No.
Not that much. I mean, on latest dump, this was during the Bitcoin dump, and it took a hit, and it actually went down 20%. But Doc is back at an interesting area. And as said earlier at the beginning of the stream, this is a place I would give Doc a shot for a long. But with a stop loss something around 99 cents or something like this. I would give it a shot here, considering the potential SR flip. Even if this candle is obviously scary.
I don't know if I would, man. It's not that candle that scares me. It's the daily candle that we're in right now.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I had this charted earlier today.
It looked really
when
good
it started moving.
Yeah.
But this daily candle is a bit worrying. Then again, it's above 100 MA. It's encouraging, but actually,
I think
the problem with Doc is that the wisest move would be to let it go a bit, let it rest, see how it develops. But this thing doesn't rest or develops. Either it pump out, either it dump out. Lately, it's basically just doing that and that. So there might be better plays.
I think the smartest play for this one would just be to long near the cross. I don't know which MAs those two are, the nearest ones.
This one?
Yeah.
This is 100 and this is, I always forget, this is 21.
Like set bids all the way through down to blue.
No, this is 50.
Yeah, like if you were to iceberg bids down to blue, that'd probably be the safest.
Oh, this was the one I was looking for to show you. It looks a lot in terms of MA. It looks a lot like, yeah, I don't know. But that's only that's classic. I don't base my call on that. Fuel actually looks okay, but that daily candle was very savage. 40 sats. I got stopped on this one at 46.
Okay. Did you get slipped or you got out?
No, I got out at 46.
Okay, cool.
I got
Manual
lucky.
or did you have a?
Sorry?
What kind of stop did you do?
It was a stop. It was a stop limit, and it stopped me right away.
Oh, okay. You got filled sick.
Yeah, I got filled because I believe a lot of people were watching 46, and a lot of people were bidding 46 because
It was the obvious.
it was the most obvious place.
Yeah.
It was a great SR flip in a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
I would be more bullish on fuel if it managed to get back above 46.
46.
Until then, it's not that good. Which one did I have in mind? Which one I have been?
Thanks
always
for the
BTC.
retweet, Trader Joe, Cuba, Simpleton, my first Bitcoin, all y'all. Appreciate you. And thank you, Porky, for offering to fix the daily candle for me. Yeah, I can't be bothered, Razzle-san. You know, I can't be bothered. I don't
Somebody
give a
said buy
fuck.
that Windows license.
Yeah, I think Ace mentioned something about hooking me up with one. I don't know if that's still on the plate, but
Yeah, you can buy them. I got the hookup for those. I got the plug.
how much, bro?
Is it like $20 for a full Windows key?
I got you. We'll
I'll
talk after stream.
I'll hit
Do
the
I have to
doc.
reinstall all my shit? I do, don't I? No. Oh shit, great. Yeah, I'm gonna get Windows, guys. It's gonna happen. I think I can afford it. Maybe not after today's dump, though. I might have to wait for Bitcoin to recoup like 10% before I can afford that $10 key. Man, I can't even be bothered.
Wait, I believe. Can you send the hangout to Nika? Maybe I think he might come.
Oh, fuck yes. But of course. Hold up.
I'm so happy when a trade goes like this for FTT because it's that there's nothing worse than you're happy to follow your plan because it played out perfectly and you're taking profit too soon. But actually, this one was nice. Take profits right onto resistance. But as soon as this one flips 15k sats, this is a 50% trade coming. But it's too soon. Too soon.
Too soon.
I believe I shared it on Twitter already, but
You sharded on Twitter?
I shared.
Just fucking with you. Sorry.
I'm going to start speaking French. Fuck you.
Non, mais ça me dérange pas du tout. Everyone leaves.
That would only hurt me, man.
No. Yeah, Nika's on his way. I sent him the invite.
All right, while you guys do that and get that set up, I'm gonna go feed my dogs and I'll be right back.
Cool. You ever had a pet, Pierre?
Yeah, bro.
What kind?
A dog. I'm a dog person. I love
All right,
dogs.
R.I.P. Bagsy again. No dogs.
Why? Because he's Oh wait, tell me you're not a cat person. Please tell me. Please tell me you have a brain.
I don't label myself as any type of person. Okay.
No, I had a dog. Unfortunately, he passed away.
Sorry.
Yeah. I'm waiting to have a house to get a new one. I'm living in an apartment.
Oh.
And I like real dogs, but not like the shittiest one that can even reproduce without the help of humans.
So real dogs,
Yeah, a real dog.
like a German
Like-
Shepherd.
Yeah, or German Shepherd. Mine was a Labrador. I don't
Oh,
know
like
if
a
I
gold-
actually don't
like
know if it's that. I don't know if that's the English name.
A Labrador is like brown. What color was it?
No. Wait, wait, wait.
No.
Yes, no, that's
You-
Labrador, mate.
Well, what color? Like what color was it though?
It's white. It's color of sand.
White.
Wait, don't tell me you
Dude,
don't know
you
what
have
the
nice
Labrador
beaches.
Retriever
I gotta-
is.
I gotta go where you're at, man. White beaches.
What?
Mount Doji. Nightbot is a Nazi.
I can't believe I have to send you a YouTube video to tell you.
I'm
what a Labrador
sorry.
is.
I'm sorry. I need your help. Yo, Ace, thanks again for this weight screen. It's perfect.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Okay, okay. I'll put this video. Fuck it.
Hey you, welcome to Bags
Okay, I have
TV.
some free funds on UOB now that I'm out of FTT. What should I long?
Interesting. One second. Labradors. They're mad cute. That's a real dog?
And yeah, it was like this one, you know, the white one, not the black one. These are the cutest dogs you can have.
This little guy.
Yeah.
This little man. Cool.
So yeah,
So you're gonna get another one?
I'm waiting to have a house, and I'm gonna get a new one.
Yeah, the boy. Yo, Crypto Goku, thanks for the RT.
I'm gonna need Bitcoin to get back to 20k to buy a house.
Mm-hmm. Or just some more
Proper
compounding.
I mean, I have one in south of France, but I'm working in Lyon, so I can't spend much of my time there. Only weekends.
Yeah, Ace, nice one. Oh, he's not here, that's true. EOS is bouncing, nice. Yeah, this is the rebound. What's it called? Yeah.
Nice, Nika is coming. I'm gonna get a glass of water.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I mean, if you caught the wick here, I'd be taking some profit. One, two, three. Man, that was a disastrous week. But overall, I'd like to see price get above 32.23. Right now, it should act as resistance, in my opinion. Yo, what up?
I'm back.
Hey, 8,600. Yeah, Bitcoin up. Oh yeah, I remember that, Sags. What do we think about LOL?
On UOB.
I'll
I
let
still
you,
have my chart for my last trade.
yeah, I'll let you take this one.
Yeah, wait. Well, I haven't traded since my last trade on it. That was a nice 60%. Damn, this chart was ugly. Tell me when you're on my screen.
Oh yeah. Wrong PF screen. Okay, all yours.
And you know when I was talking about new coins on UOB and why I like to trade them? This was a perfect example. That's something, well, to be honest, It's quite a tricky one. I mean, already at that pump, yes, you can say that it's back to low, and that it could actually move from here. Maybe if you trade it now, you can expect some sort of a bounce. But I wouldn't be too optimistic until it manages to reclaim at least this area. And if it loses previous low, it's gone. If it's lost, this one is down. I wouldn't, for now, give it that much attention. There are better setups out there on UOB that you could trade. Maybe safest trades than this one.
And what would you tell a bag holder?
I would tell a bag holder that you don't bag old coins on UOB. No, more seriously, that's complicated question.
That's the type
I'm
of
trying
questions
to
we
I'm
ask
trying
here
to
on
find a
Bags
more
TV.
I'm trying to find some sort of bullish opium there, but
Double bottom. That's
well, yeah, that's what I was saying. You can say that it actually went back to its previous bottom, but the structure is completely different. MAs are fucked. Yeah. If you are backloading this one, you shouldn't.
Fair enough.
No, I mean, I wouldn't sell here, considering it's at bottom, obviously.
I agree.
But if it loses,
On a daily close or something.
if it loses this area, and if it loses previous bottom, something you could actually expect would be something like this. If it loses it, you could expect it to drop, come and retest. Either it was a fake out, and you can expect some upward. Either it get rejected, and this one is going for price of our opening price. So if you're backholding this one right now, selling now would be a bit silly, as long as it holds previous low. But keep an eye on it, and if it doesn't manage to hold here, if it breaks down and it's not a fake out, you should exit and try to find a way to make up your losses with something else. But then again, I don't know, to be honest, if you're backholding a coin called Emoji Network, you should definitely stick to Bitcoin, mate. Right? It's not to be, I don't want to be rude, but it's like, it's literally called Emoji Network. So yeah,
Yo, Nika.
the master is here.
Let's see if his mic works. You're muted right now, Nika. Sir.
Damn, I was looking at Acro earlier. Yeah, you see, for example, Acro.
No retest.
Well-
Yeah, there was one.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, it was retest after retest for Acro. You had
Yeah.
one first lost here, it held here, retested here, bearish retest, get back to support, breakdown, find the support, get back to resistance, this one here, get back to support, retest. It managed to regain this 4, and that was a good trade, by the way. That was a plus 30 trade. We took it last week. And then all the way down, and now it actually lost price opening price. But the market maker on this one is evil.
He's what?
Is the devil.
Really?
I mean, that's what we say with Nika. We've been trading this one since opening.
Yeah.
We took
Yeah, I remember that.
three trades.
Yeah.
This one, and every time we were like, okay, it found the floor. We took the first trade. It was a good one. Let's wait for the next level to be reclaimed for this one. Every time bearish retest.
So he's
But you
mad,
see,
man.
that's what I like about this type of trade. It's that it's fairly simple. You have a previous resistance. Take profit when you reach it. Like if it breaks and it flips, you can open a second trade and you will be buying strength. If you hold expecting a resistance to flip, that's the wrong mindset. You want to buy once the resistance is broken. I know it sounds dumb and it sounds obvious when you say it, but the amount of people I see that are like, I don't want to sell here. Yes, it's at resistance, but it's strong. It's going to break it. Yes, if it does, reopen your trade and you'll be buying strength. If it doesn't, you're fucked, mate. What kind of were you trading on UOB lately? I remember you took some trades.
Yeah, I was trading BCX.
Oh yeah, BCX. That was a sad story
That was.
because it actually
ended up pumping.
it actually pumped when you sold.
Right into my target, 14.
That was your target.
Yeah. Yeah, it was just beautiful. But it's okay.
No, it's alright.
Yeah,
I'm back, friends.
it's all good.
Yo,
Did anybody else join us?
Yeah, Nika's
Yes,
there,
Nika.
Oh
But,
shit! Hello, man.
but his
but
mic
I
hasn't
think
been...
his mic is broken.
Aw,
He's
it's
just
okay.
here in spirit.
He can hear me.
Hey Bagsy, what's your thoughts on Tron? Hey, PL, do you want to pull up Tron for me, please?
You say his
Yes,
name
sir.
so interestingly.
I say it the real way.
Say it with a little accent.
Well, yeah, it's my French.
Sounds nice. Huh?
What's that?
Wow,
Yeah,
that's so savage.
that's on the weekly. The weekly is horrendous. For now, I mean, just looking at the weekly makes me think we're gonna retest the top of the first candle wick. You know what I mean?
Bagsy target almost reached for Bitcoin, man.
Wait, this one?
No, the first candle wick ever.
Oh,
the
this
top,
one?
The top of the wick. If we lose this level, that to me, that's.
Yeah, right there. It's gonna bounce right there.
Wait,
Liquidity. It's true, bro. Pull up the fucking VPVR tool for kicks. Do you ever use it?
I never use it.
Can you pull it up regardless for me, please?
Where is it? Is it an
So
indicator?
indicators, VPVR.
Okay, I'm not on my.
Okay. Never mind. Here,
Oh,
so
it's
let
on
me do it. I'll do it. I'm just being lazy.
It's where it says volume profile up here on the selections on the left.
Yeah, it's not.
But it's not
I-
the same.
This is my second. This is my free
Here, so
trading view account.
look at this. Like, we just lost the last higher volume node. Not even high volume node, higher volume node. The next area that we should see some type of interaction is from like 120 to, I don't know, like 95 ish. But ultimately, I mean, the only actual type of not even support, just price is at 71 sats. So it just makes sense to me that if we do end up closing the weekly beneath like 135, there's a higher likelihood that happens.
Yo guys.
Yo!
Oh!
Hey.
We
Hey!
can hear
Chat.
you.
How's life?
Good, man.
Good. How's your life?
I got liquidated, man.
No! Are you serious? Sorry,
Yeah.
man. Me too.
Happens.
Me too.
I joined the club, man.
Yeah,
That's why we're
dude.
streaming. We're here for support.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for the pain suppression.
Fucking me too.
Yeah, that was a brutal sell-off, man.
Yeah, it was pretty rough.
That was crazy.
What got you? Bitcoin or something else?
Nah, Bitcoin. No, I was playing WoW and and the shit was dropping, and I had no funds on Bitmax, and I had like 9 BTCs on Huobi, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy 9.2k.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy that, and I don't know, man, it just dropped, 8.5k.
All right, I play WoW, so I'm just curious, what in the world were you doing on WoW?
And I was playing arenas, man, and I don't know, it just I don't know.
Nika was just living
Like
his best
2
life.
minutes later, it was
Yeah.
like dropping like a rock. I was like, damn.
Oh man,
Then you got that email.
yeah, I've been playing Classic a lot lately.
The classic is cool.
Is it?
Classic
I don't
is
know,
cool.
mate. Archer told me it was going to 20k. I'm very disappointed.
I think Arthur sold sold on us.
He's still partying in Asia. He doesn't give a damn about us.
Dude, that was a cryptic picture. That's why he posted it.
Yo, Nika.
Yeah,
RCN is a chat coin, bro.
yeah, man, that one is gonna fly.
Actually, if it managed to flip 450 cents, it's going for another 20%. But it
Yeah, I
might,
think. Yeah.
it might reset a bit here after this 20% bounce.
Let me check it.
What the fuck was that?
It's my dogs are like wrestling.
Yeah, sure, it's your dog. To just tell your girlfriend hi from us.
And there's two of them there then.
She just
You
woke up.
They,
I see you're living the same life than I do.
yeah, man.
Yo,
just
yeah,
I just want to live it outside the USA now.
Yeah. Oh, you still live in US?
Yeah.
Ouch. How do we trade on Binance, by the way?
I
You
don't.
open an account
Oh, you don't?
and you
I got kicked off of the regular Binance, so I haven't really transcended to the regular one. I was just actually going to go to Huobi and join you guys eventually. Just got to get everything off of my other Binance now. It's locked.
Right. You can still withdraw, or?
Yeah, I still can.
Okay. That's cool. And private network or something?
What's that?
I mean, you still have 2 Bitcoin withdrawals per 24 hours, right?
I already had KYC'd with Binance, so I have a higher limit.
Okay, well, but if you make a new account,
Oh,
and use
yeah.
a private network,
Yeah, 2 Bitcoin's not bad if that's the case.
I mean, it was always like that, right?
Yeah,
2
it has
Bitcoins
always been.
every 24 hours.
Yeah, it has always been that way.
Yeah, I always withdrew in like lump sums or just like left it there, so I never really paid attention to like the small ones.
Yeah, man, Europe is gonna go off soon. Come join us.
Yeah,
I'm happy if EOB does, but it has to pump new first, please, for fuck's sake.
Yeah,
I've been
gonna pump
patient.
hard, man. Let me check trading view.
The USDT pair is actually very bad for you. For
Really?
not very bad, but it took a serious hit.
Wow, yeah, man.
The BTC pair is still very good, but the USDT pair just got wrecked.
Wow. Wow, it got wrecked, yeah.
Yeah, minus 10%, mate. But it followed Bitcoin, you know.
Wow, it was almost breaking out, to be honest. It
Yeah.
just if it can hold 2.8, 2113 or something, it's gonna go back to 35.
Yeah, I
Where
believe
it
so
broke
too.
down.
I believe so too. Actually, if today it bounced, because the daily is quite new for EOB, because you know they close the daily at different time than Binance ones. If it closed
Yeah,
above
yeah.
above 0.0028, it will reclaim an important level, in my opinion.
Yeah, I have my alert there. 35. If 35 is gonna hold, It's gonna pump to right 13 cents. No, I mean 13,
Yeah. I see what
1
you mean.
cent. It's like not even
That-
1 cent right now. That's gonna do
pretty
like
much-
4 or 5 times.
Well, listen, Nick, if it does, I'm
Hey.
coming to Netherlands to party with you. And
Of course, man.
but for
You're
now,
always welcome.
on the BTC pair, the BTC pair looks very much better.
Mm.
As long as 30 sats, 30 sats old, it's all right.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's all right.
A lot
The
of
thing is that
indecision.
it's been very stable against Bitcoin, and Bitcoin took a hit. So yeah, classical math. But
Yeah, Bitcoin just raped everyone.
yeah, except
Well.
those who were long on FTT.
I think this was the dip, man. 2.7.
I want to believe so
7.9K.
too. Oh, have you seen TT, Nika? We were right. It got wrecked at 40 sats.
Yeah. TT.
Unsurprising, to be honest.
Yeah. But guys, seriously, RCN and TNT, those two are just gonna go fly.
Yeah, I
Those
believe
are
so
gonna
too.
go
that one.
I believe so too, Nika.
Those two are just like insane plays right now.
The thing with RCN, and I think we were talking about it yesterday, is that as soon as it managed to close the daily above 350 sats, it actually went back and retested it.
Yeah.
it
bounced
just-
twice.
Yeah, it gave 2 more entries, and it actually confirmed the support resistance flip
Hmm.
from the floor there was between May and July and late June. That was the main level to reclaim.
Let me
To be-
check. Yeah, true.
Yeah, it's classical SR flip, and you see that there were 2 entries here.
Hey you, welcome
Yeah,
to Bags
true.
of TV.
I got out again on this one, but I'll be looking for another entry.
Yo, welcome to Back to TV, Jujua 77.
Sorry, what did you say?
I'm welcoming someone into the stream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you play your buys and sells right, you can just bank on this coin, like make seriously a lot of money.
Well,
I mean, liquidity is good. The bounces are good.
Yeah.
And I think, I'm almost certain my target point is gonna get hit.
The
I
what?
think it was like 600. My TP.
Nice.
I took 3 trades on this one. No, 4 because I got liquidated. I got stopped yesterday.
I got liquidated today.
Yeah.
He's
That's
trying to be
something
part.
else,
He's
bro.
trying to be part of the liquidation crew here.
Fucking wow.
That's actually not good. So yeah, RCN I'll be looking to re-enter, but I'm giving it some time. I'm still in TNT. I'm still in TNT though.
Yeah, if TNT can hold 600, it's gonna pump to 25k. 100%.
Wait, what?
Yep. It's gonna do a
You
run.
heard me.
Wait,
It's
wait,
gonna
wait,
do
wait,
a
wait,
run.
wait, wait.
That's my second macro trade, by the way. TNT.
Yeah, I figured this out.
The first one is RCN, the second one is TNT.
We spend too much time together, Nika. Well, that's pretty much what I was talking about earlier. You can see the 1 year long weekly range here,
Yeah, it
Which is
never made a
insane.
lower low.
and yeah, exactly. And the thing is that, yeah, if you want to take a macro play, you wait for a weekly close above this level, and then you pretty much no brain hold. That's
Yeah, exactly.
That would be. Yeah, that would be a lot. And from bottom, how much would it be? Jesus. Okay.
Imagine
Hey
this is
you,
a
welcome to Bags of
redistribution.
TV.
Yeah, this is distribution.
Imagine.
Don't say that, man.
I'm sorry. It's like all
Don't
these wicks
say
are
that.
actually just like supply getting dumped on that.
Wait,
It also hasn't made any
This guy
higher
already got
highs.
liquidated today.
Oh, I'm
Don't make it worse.
yeah, okay.
Well, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Arsene.
Yeah, that would be lovely.
Yeah, Arsene is gonna fly, guys. I'm gonna. Yeah. Arsene is
I would-
gonna
I
go
would-
straight
I
to
would be-
600.
I would be very surprised if it gets again rejected. Actually, it might actually do something like this.
Look at this shit, man. It's just pumping and pumping.
That's a 150% range, and it stayed in it for so long. It's been 1 year.
Yeah.
Actually, that's the Binance chart. Yeah, no, the EOB one is very similar.
Wow.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, Nika. And I say,
Yeah,
see
exactly.
I know what you say. Wow.
It looks really good.
Wow, guys. To be honest,
Yeah.
if it can hold this 560 or something,
Yeah, exactly.
you know what I'm talking about, right? It's going to 2500. Not kidding.
This is why you're the best, Nika. You're
Nah,
my
not the
you're
best,
my daily opium dealer. I need you in my life right now.
Dude.
Jesus.
2017 Hitbit troll block still haunts me. Interesting. Did you guys ever hang out in the troll boxes?
No,
No,
never.
it's been a while, mate.
Yeah, I never did.
I remember back in 2017, we were long Bitcoin Cash on
Yeah.
Hit BTC or something. Yeah, Hit BTC. And they had a troll box, man. Oh, wow. That's even worse than BitMEX.
It is?
Yeah, Hit BTC was like pure evil. Like, I don't know, like 4chan, but then 10 times worse. Like everyone was fucking each other. Buy this,
Yeah,
buy
so-
this, buy this.
Yeah, so Facebook. Crypto Facebook.
Yeah, crypto Facebook. Exactly.
Yo, we got 65 people on Periscope right now. It's fucking great. 38 on Twitch. Yo, we got like 120 in here. What's up, everybody?
Your negative hour to your goals to go.
Oh, dude, yeah, no. Why is 1 hour? What the fuck? Oh, man, I set my goal too high. That's funny. I'll just stare at it for another hour.
And I say, starting with this anniversary festival, we run the city.
Yeah, Muro's bullish on BTC.
On Bitcoin or?
Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah.
Is what?
He bought
Yeah,
BT
that was the
200.
dip, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that will, if it does, this will be the. I was already saying it earlier, but if it does, this would be the time to pay attention to the coins who are holding strong against Bitcoin, even if it's pushing.
Well, I got 2 coins for you, TNT and RCN.
Hey, okay, I'm fine with that.
Let me check UOB. Yeah, I
UOB is
got some
gonna
sick setups there. Just waiting for confirms.
Moon USD is not mooning.
No, definitely not. But it's bouncing, as we were talking about. It's slowly, but yeah.
I think it's printing on U.
Which one?
Yeah, that Chinese thing, you know.
You.
The
No,
EU?
Yeah, you know, you.
You.
Yeah, but
Fuck
which
you.
one?
You.
Yeah, but which one is printing EU?
The Bitcoin.
Oh,
He's like
It's-
on BTC.
he's printing that. Yeah, we were talking about it earlier with with Bagzi.
Oh, it's right on support.
You know what, guys? I think it's gonna close above exponential 55 on 3D, and we are back in the bull range.
That's some. That's an interesting.
The moon
That's
target.
some interesting volume on Bitstamp.
Yeah, what's the open interest?
No idea.
Hey you, welcome to Bagsy TV.
Actually, how did Ethereum do during the Oof, Jesus.
Oof. Yo, welcome, Jorgen Horse.
Oh, it's okay.
What? Oh, my favorite coin is coming.
That was Joe
Fair.
Rogan horse.
My favorite chart of all.
Which one?
Yeah.
So,
XRP.
It was like.
Wow.
It was like. We did it. We broke the floor. Uh-oh. Yeah. I can add another little arrow. Swell is in a bit more than a month now.
Swell. This was the swell deck.
This one, this was a swell pump. This chart, mate. The run to $3 was one of my funniest memory from crypto. It was like completely crazy.
me was ICX.
ICX?
Yeah, man.
Icon?
Icon, yeah.
I killed it.
Icon.
Oh, when it opened.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, the BTC pairing is bottomed out.
Well, it looks a bit like, yeah. Oh,
Holy crap.
I had some. It looks like I had some shot done on this one. I don't remember. That's what I was talking about earlier with Bagsy. You know, when you open a chart
Yeah.
2 months later,
Yeah. Oh,
after you didn't take the setup eventually.
exactly.
It was another bearish retest. Oh, what about? It's been a while. I haven't checked one Harmony.
Yeah,
Oh.
one, that's a good one, by the way. Wow, it's shit. Wow. Even a BTC pairing broke down.
Yeah, it's like it's been bearish retest after bearish retest once again.
Wow.
What about air rounds? Well, yeah, it touched bearish retest once again, 25 sats. And the USDT pair. I can't believe I managed to cut 20% on this one.
Nice.
No, I was very lucky because when it was here, I was like, should I sell now? I was hesitating, and I got called by a friend to go to the pub, and I was like, I don't want to hold this position at the pub. I closed, I opened my phone, and it was fully retraced. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to say this was made on purpose.
Yeah, all my cells were at like 25 sats.
But do you see that break up retest? This
Yeah.
is something I'd like to see on the ATC, the ATX.
I mean, technically it already did, but
That
Yeah.
big.
It already did it and retraced. Sad. Krillin is not going to be happy about this one.
no. Is he sleeping right now?
I never looked back trio too since it yeah, okay. Well, I'm happy. I remember Krillin and I sitting here, so that's fine. Jesus.
Would you play the bounce here?
Here?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't. I don't see any reason to re-enter here.
Okay, I'm gonna
There's
give
one-
you.
The thing is that I usually don't come back to an altcoin I traded before a few days ago, a few days after, if it doesn't show very some sign of strength. Like, this was a good setup on the way up. This was, again, a good retest to pump.
Yeah, about that. Yep.
No, sorry. Go ahead.
If you draw a support line, it's from beneath. It might do an ascending triangle. If you put a trio at
Yeah.
daily,
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not laughing at you guys.
You're laughing at yourself, I know.
Yeah,
Alright.
basically, I'm the fucking clown, bro.
it's on daily, sorry. Yeah, like that, and it's sitting on the support right now. MA 100. So either way, it's gonna bounce here, or it's gonna die.
Yeah, but this could be one argument, but then again,
MA
I don't
100
know.
is strong support.
yeah, but when you have there are better setups than this right now.
Yeah, true.
There are better setups than waiting for something either to bounce or die, on UOB at least.
Yeah, I
I
agree.
believe so.
Yeah, Matrix.
Uh,
Man.
Yeah, man.
Check out Man.
Yeah, I'm
Do
on
you
man.
like your name?
Me?
Sorry, what?
No, like you guys. Do you guys like the name you've been given? Original?
Yeah, mate.
Why wouldn't you?
I don't know. Some people must not like their name. I'm sure
Oh,
some
alright.
Well,
people not out of the range of
I believe
possibilities.
the good thing is that they gave me the most French name you can have.
Mhm.
Yeah, Pierre.
So at least when I'm mainly speaking with foreign people for the last 10 years. So at least when I introduce myself, I don't have to say more. I just say, "Hey, my name is Pierre." Oh, us friends.
Yeah.
Good.
Good. It's like, oh, my name's Christian. You're like,
Really now?
where?
Yeah, I see what you see, Nika, man. It's looking interesting. It's looking interesting.
Yeah,
Might move
528 would
quite-
be an interesting entry.
528. I don't believe we're gonna go 528.
No.
Maybe 600, but
See if it
that
crosses.
is worth the shot. That's worth the shot. I'm actually looking for my next UOB setup since I just I took profits on FTT. Yeah, that looks good, Nika. All those the weekly looks. Jesus. It's always like this when you need to zoom out.
Mhm.
Talking about majors almost had some sort of movement last week. It got short-lived.
Yeah, they looked like they were gonna break out, but then stopped.
I wanted to show you that, Nika, because it looks a bit like man before it breaks.
Yeah. Yeah, but mages are shit, man.
Yeah, poor
Um,
Beast tweeted the top again.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Every time he
He
does
keep
that,
roasting
I'm
the
like,
poor guy.
peaceful.
every time he does that, I'm like, bro, you're hurting yourself.
Get out.
It's true though.
Stop eating yourself.
You're not
Just
being a
say
friend.
you sold. Just say to everybody you just rage quit.
Capitulated.
But don't sell, so people can say it's okay. Beast just rage quit. We can buy, but don't sell.
Don't send it.
Yo, that dump on EOS. Look at that volume.
Yeah. Damn.
Oh, this is
That's-
not good.
Dude, this is the future. US.
Do you remember
Oh, hold up. Let me
This
get Ace's
should-
screen.
the
Oh.
announcement?
Oh, I thought
The
you had you.
announcement.
Yeah, man, at like 10K.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's
Nico's
nothing-
was like long. Just kidding. Yeah.
They announced some sort of social media where you stack EOS or things like this.
What they announced was like huge news, and then they dropped that whatever.
The thing is that they said for a couple of months like June is coming and things like this. It was good because when you were long EOS, at least on the USDT pair.
Shit.
It was a nice run.
I think I say it was a nightmare.
Earlier
Today was
this year.
definitely a nightmare.
It was super flip, then again. I haven't touched this chart in a while. I haven't touched EOS in a while.
I
But yeah,
saw that,
time-
Ace.
What's that?
I saw that. Sorry, Pierre.
What about XLM? Stellar. I can't believe this one is still below 2018 low. It never got out of the bear market on the USDT pair. It was holding so strong all over 2018. We were all like, yeah, it's one of the strong one. Then it got absolutely wrecked.
Yeah, the coin, the supply, the airdrops and shit didn't help it at all.
Yeah.
At all. Yeah, so far a bearish retest of that weekly level. Yeah.
I took this trade 10 times and I lost it 10 times.
Really? Oh shit, man, that sucks.
No, not 10 times.
Yeah,
but
but yeah.
2 or 3 times, and 2 or 3 times I got wrecked. I ended up giving up.
What was the biggest mistake on this particular coin that you had trouble with?
On Link,
Yeah.
I gave too much credit to that level. I was expecting it. Back then, I believe it was printing something like some sort of falling wedge. I don't remember exactly, but
Yeah, okay.
no, the biggest mistake I've made with Link was to sell around here on this pump in June. I was confident it was the top, and then it did times 3. But that weekly diagonal, yeah, it moved a bit, but it reminds me a bit of. To be honest, Link was the greatest art buy for the entire bear market.
Yeah.
It was better. It was better than a ×1 short on Bitcoin. Like bear market on Bitcoin started in January. It ended up in January. That's like 900%.
Crazy.
Yeah, during the time where Bitcoin was losing value. That was like buy Link at the beginning of the big market, comes back when Bitcoin starts moving, and you're up in Bitcoin without doing shit. Bat 2 was quite nice, but to be honest, since it lost that weekly support here,
Yeah.
it really does looks like shit for now.
Yeah. I remember we were talking about that on stream.
I tried to long here back in the days, and I got wrecked.
Yeah, I didn't take it.
I tried, and then I was like, yeah, 4th try, maybe it's gonna hold. It didn't.
Yeah, I got into 2K about, and same story.
and I'm using Brave on a daily basis on my phone and on my computer, but I don't understand why bad.
Things happen.
But Brave is a good browser. It's very fast. Yet I don't understand why bad.
Hey y'all, BTC hurt my balls. That's funny. Let's say you get a really good entry on today's dump. Bitcoin starts going up, and it never comes back to that price. If you believe that was luck and you don't trust, it's a good question. Do you guys have any thoughts?
I haven't heard the question.
Yeah, to counteract that, since I'm a trader, like what I do is like I was in that position before. I actually manage my trade and my funding rates as I have a position open on Mext. So I'll make another trade in between that trade. So let's say I'm in a long position and I do have this nice sick entry. Let's say it does pump another $1,000, $2,000. Next dump, that's like $250. I'll capitalize on that dump so I can pay off my fees and whatever I've been holding, if I'm holding for that long. But if you already have like a sick entry and it's already moved up, you should already be in plenty profit to not have to worry about that.
Imagine you're that crazy fuck that held the long from the 3Ks.
You'd be sad right now.
Am I still in BitMEX? No, I'm not at BitMEX.
Rip.
Yeah, dude, this fucking market is something else.
It's such bullshit. The moon tokens for BTC are worth less than when
Hey you,
Like-
welcome to Bagsy TV.
like the price of BTC is more than when I bought the moon token, yet the moon token is lower than where I bought it at. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's bullshit.
Uh,
Man, what the fuck?
I
am
don't
gonna
I
eat
don't
for
I
dinner?
don't I don't know how ETC is still a thing in this market. It's insane.
Not since Krillin fucked with it. Oh, you
Wow.
know how it's still a thing, you're saying?
Yeah, it's like who's actually still
Buying it?
developing on Ethereum Classic?
Do they have a budget?
Do they have a token? I don't know what they do. It's like, oh, I'm kidding.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
But
it's,
ETC is like, I don't know, man.
Well,
Maybe
What's
someone in
pumping?
chat might know the fundamentals a bit better.
Hey you,
There are no
welcome to Bagsy TV.
fundamentals.
Yo, welcome to Bags TV, Megs.
I can write on the chart what are the
Yeah.
Do you know what the fundamentals are for?
Tell us, Pierre.
Definitely not anti-gravity.
I don't know if there's two R. Maybe there's only one.
People mind them.
There's Larry.
Yo, this is dirty.
What kind of what? BNB.
Do you think Uncle Sam is a big dick, Ace?
Wow.
Wow, too many ciders, Bags.
Not enough insider. Oh.
What?
I got you. Yeah, give me that BNB chart, Pierre.
It's the same one than since mid-July with Christmas.
It didn't.
I didn't touch anything.
Oh shit. Sorry. Yeah.
I was sharding that with Christmas in July,
Yeah.
saying that for BNB to be bullish again, it had to flip back this one. It
Yeah.
didn't. 2000 high, previous all-time high, had to hold. It didn't.
Yeah.
It might actually get back to.
full
Yeah,
retrace.
that's a savage retrace from the top. That's like You could short it, but you
That's
should
a
not.
bad idea. Dude, I have that fucking post. Oh, dude, I gotta pull this up.
I can't even follow CZ on Twitter anymore.
Yeah, he's gotten so worse like every day.
No, I got blocked.
Oh,
Really?
what?
Why?
Let me find
Here, BNB is available for margin now, but I don't recommend shorting it as you will get hashtag wrecked. This is
Thank
at,
you. I think it's time to remind the market.
this is at 28k sats.
That's because of that tweet that I got. Blocked by CZ.
Am I comfortable with how
I don't
much
even-
BTC I'm giving? How you looking at sending the like oh, that's a lot of likes.
Yeah, and I didn't even type
You
it.
ratioed him.
You had all the
I
other
got
exchange
ratio, like-
bots like liking it and shit.
No, I believe I have more likes on the story with that girl.
Really?
From the pub the other night.
Ooh.
I couldn't find the tweet, but yeah. That's the story. Morning glory.
He never
Yeah, so,
friended me, so he's no friend of mine.
But I have notifications on his Twitter account from a second Twitter account, and it's like I don't know. Yeah, that doesn't look great. What about the USD?
Ace. Yo, USD
Looking-
got wrecked.
I'm looking at Bitcoin ready to pop. What are you talking about?
Oh shit.
Ready for its next move up. No break yet.
Yo, Nika,
Yo.
have you seen that on BNB USD?
BNB. What the fuck? I think every USD pairing got wrecked, man.
Yeah,
Not every
definitely.
coin. Have you seen FTT?
Yeah, we were looking at it earlier with Bagzi.
And
That's a true dark mode candle.
yeah,
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
pretty
I think
intense.
BNB BTC. I think you can draw a wedge. And maybe can pump after, but I don't know, man. It's just completely bearish.
Yeah. I have no
It's
interest
like-
on.
No, exactly. I think let me check. It has to pump like 28,000 to be bullish again. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't touch this coin.
Hey, it's been almost 30 minutes since I haven't checked RCN, so I'm gonna check.
By the way, what about Electronium?
ETN?
Yeah. I'm getting alerts.
Yeah. That looks sexy. You know what? I'm gonna make a list for me after. ATN.
Only for me.
Yeah, exactly. Make this for.
No, not to forget about them.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to sleep after that. There are some people who actually work.
You're not gonna sleep, man.
I'm gonna try, Nika.
Okay. That's something else.
And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna say goodbye for the third time again. Yeah, ETN is not
Every
looking.
time.
ETN looks kind of okay.
Yeah, it looks alright. I like the way it's. I like the way it's hovering above the 100 MA.
And Doc is still looking good, to be honest.
Yeah, shared it earlier
The
too.
Doc is looking really good. Doc, RCN, and TNT.
The main concern we had about Doc earlier, we were
Mm.
talking about it with Bagzi, is the face of that daily candle. But beside that, as long as it holds here, it looks good to me.
I agree.
And
think-
yeah, I wanted to show you that earlier about ZRX too. You're gonna like it, I believe.
Yes. 0x.
Look at this, mate.
What a fucking shitcoin. Yeah, that one looks good, man.
My thanks.
Actually, that's a buy, to be honest, right now.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier.
Wow.
Yeah,
Holy shit.
yeah, mates. That's
I
exactly.
never thought it would pump again, seriously.
Yeah, me neither.
Wow, that one looks really good, man.
That's. I wanted to share it with you. We watched that earlier.
Wow. Thanks. I mean, if 22 holds,
Yeah.
can come to like 35.
Yeah, and that what I was saying earlier is that here might be a good buy,
Mm,
but the safest one might actually be to wait for this one to flip. That would be the most ideal entry
yeah,
if
true.
if it's strong. But if you're only looking to make some gains and want to play it safe,
True.
might actually wait for that.
True.
Well, okay, that's enough for me, boys. I'm gonna go
me
out.
too, ladies
I
and
mean, I'm going
gentlemen.
to sleep.
Yo, everyone here. First of all, boys, thanks for coming on, hanging out.
Yeah,
No
with pleasure,
problem.
mate.
Nika,
Pleasure.
Pierre.
Every time.
Yo, you guys are the homies. Everyone at home,
Yeah.
thanks for watching. Love you guys. Stay safe out there. Don't overtrade and don't try to chase losses. And
Exactly.
yeah,
Have a
I'll
good
talk
evening,
to you guys
everybody.
tomorrow night. Peace.